Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is about a man who called the police on persons who he accused of stealing government material somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now you might be surprised to see and hear some of the things that happened when the police arrived to deal with the whole situation. Viewers and subscribers, based on some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video, tell me if you think the man was wrong or right to call the police. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Well, watch where you park to, And if you're trying to block me in, we have serious problems, Because watch where you park. You park this on the road, Brex. Watch me. No. Watch me. You park this on the road to block my vehicle. Right? So, like I said, we're relaxing. Right? So, this is what going on here. This truck, this material is mill material. Right? Now, this mill material is government material. My partner here now, taking this mill material and carrying it down the road, saying they get permission to take this material. And look, Tanti, filming now. This is the company Bally's, right? And there's the woman there who's apparently she's affiliated, because you can see the name on the vehicle. And we have this truck together with the Bobcat toting material and carrying it down the road. As I said before, apparently, madam, they're not aware that this is government material.
Not aware this is private property.
This is private property. You will hear what happened? Oh, you're not supposed to be thieving government material.
But not stealing it.
Why are you borrowing it? Are you borrowing it then? Let me hear you. Well, I could tell you, nobody will borrow you. You understand? Because hard face is not something I like. You understand? Hey, carry that man for a drive, boy. Tell she who she cussing. Ask she who she cussing. I have it on tape. We have it on tape.
Where is the road?
Big man, that is government material. That good. So here what we gonna do? We're gonna follow the truck now. We're gonna follow the truck. Right? I can show you. Now, like I said, we're down here now. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Now this is one of the vehicles here. Right, so the car vehicle, she's trying to block me here now to stop me from going to record the truck. Right, so let me show you what's going on. These people are actually stealing material, carrying it down the road here now. Right, now we will show you the location where the material is going. Right, so let me show you what's happening here. We got a call, I got a call that these people were actually stealing government material. So I'm gonna show you the area now where the material. Now interestingly, these people and them just pulling up and doing as they like. So let's see what's going on here now, boy. Right, look here. Watch here, that is where they're dropping material. Right? And let me see where else we partner going. Right, the truck gone. Right, so the truck gone further down the road. That is the truck going down the road here. Right, so material gone. Right, so what are you doing right now? Let me tell you what happening. We are waiting right now on the police, and it's really stupid that the police say him show up as yet. And of course the woman cussing and carrying on. But I gotta tell you, boy, when you live with a face like that, you have to cuss and carry on, yes? You know, this is amazing. Half an hour now, the station right down the road, you know. The police station right down the road, you know. Half an hour now. Half an hour now, and not one officer. Not one officer. Wait. Hey, watch me. Wait, boy. Come. Well, that is Junior Sammy. Stop. Alright. So let me tell you what's going on here. Some work was done recently where material was dug up from the road. Now that material is mill material, which is government material. You're not supposed to take that, you're not supposed to interfere with that. My boy and them take the material and they bring it up the road. And they say they get permission to take that material. Now that is government material, nobody can give you permission. So, the interesting thing is, so I look like I have to actually go by the police station and pick up an officer, because this thing is so stupid, it is so ridiculous that half an hour after, not one police officer showing up to deal with this thing, you know. And the station is right down the road, you know, man. I can't believe this. Anyway, let me go back to the other side and I'll show you where the Alright, look at here. Hold on. Follow me here now. Right here. Why am I a little closer, boy? How will you close up, Surly? Right, so what happening is that this is the material here that the government, that they moved from there, and which we saw them stealing early on. Right now, alright, so the police here now, so let me see how this goes. Here what happening? We just made a call with Junior Sammy on our live here. The material of the road is mill material when you dig the road. That is government material, right? We just recorded a company thieving material from up the road. No. I saw it. So it are no alleged bed. It are no alleged. Right, and right now I'm filming all without mask and all not supposed to be. No, I have a live and I keep it running. Big man, I am keeping the live. Watch me, it don't matter. If you have a problem taking the report, then no, well, this is saying all is supposed to have on all the mask. Come now, man. All you're bigger than the law. And if you stupid and you give Mexico go your way, I don't care. You understand? No, but this is what I'm saying. Watch me, big man. It's either we handle this proper or we don't handle it or you go all the way. Yeah, I step on you because at the end of the day, here what happening, big man. I explaining it to you now. You come here, but what here happening? Like I tell you before. Let me start back now. Firstly, I am live. Secondly, material from up the road was dug from the road. They call that mill material. Mill material is the property of the government of Trinidad and Tobago. It does not belong to the contractor. Right? That material is stored up the road. The people from up there facilitated the transfer of material from there to down here, and they're backfilling right now. In other words, that is government material being stolen right now. I just spoke to Commissioner. Commissioner got on the IAPD and spoke to Caroni Police. So, I am asking you as officers, seeing that you are seeing this material here, seeing that they conveniently close up their shed, and they conveniently have their trucks working there, what is going to be done? Okay. No, him. I would hope that you would ask the people. Good, well, I will follow on you. No? I follow on you. I follow on you. There's nice people. Here, I mean, it's not right.
This is a police matter now, and we will conduct an inquiry, and we will do the needful. Right? We will go there. We ask questions, we will take statement. We will do the needful, right?
Good, but I will also be there recording.
No, but that's not necessary.
Big man, let me explain something there. That is my right. It is my right to record on a public place. I feel him more like the criminal. I feel him more like the criminal here, you know.
Police officer.
I never claimed to be one. That is, of course, 100% officer. Right. So all you go ahead and I go come not too far from on. Good. Which station are you from, by the way? Caroni station. Okay, good. Okay, look up. Alright. In the meantime, because I see Commissioner calling me back, let me just take the vehicle number now, please. Right, good. Here we go. All you don't make me feel like I'm wasting my time now, because I my tax dollars being stolen there, right? All I asking all you, officers, all I asking all you is just to do all the work now. That is all I'm begging, please. Yeah. That is why. Go ahead. Right. For those who just joined, and I'll say now, like I said before, these fellas and them is really something else to deal with, you know, boy. You know, it's like you're begging them to do their work. Right, so we're gonna cross to the place there now. We're gonna cross to the place there now. Let me see what the police gonna do. You know, and for me, this could just be wasting time, because at the end of the people gonna say, boy, why you leave the people alone? But let me tell you something. This is why our country is the way it is right now, because people see things going on and they do nothing. They do absolutely nothing. So let me see what's going on with all them people and them there. How you going?
You alright?
I go and I'll be better.
Will I be better with?
What you call them, boss?
Nothing. Good, ready. Explain to the officer. Good. You go ahead. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, officer. Not from where I am, sir.
If this is a crime, it cannot be done. Don't do that.
Don't forget your workers too, eh? Watch. Yes, you go ahead, officer. Officer, you go ahead. You go ahead, boss. I'm distracting you with my phone.
Yes, light in my eye and open.
Boss, I didn't have my... Oh, the light in here. Let me take off the light. Sorry. Sorry, oh my God. I didn't realize my light was on. Let me tell you something, eh? I don't realize already that officer Shortman is a imps. Capital. And let me tell you something. It's because of fellas like fellas like me don't want to make no reports. Right? Now let me explain to you. First off, he's supposed to have what authorization he have for moving material. Number two, what he's supposed to do is show the proof, documentation, where the government authorized the movement of material from here to another place. Unfortunately, they don't have that. No, ma'am, I don't have a permit here now. Come. We're talking. Hold on. Listen, man. Hold on. We're talking here. Let me explain to you. That material does not belong to any contractor. Nobody could take that material and just carry it across like what Ola was doing across to the other side. It was not supposed to be moved.
Anybody tell you anything about this material?
If anybody tell me?
Yeah.
Somebody called me, yes.
Who is this somebody?
No,
somebody
I can't
is the government?
No, but listen, ma'am.
No, somebody is not the government.
Ma'am, we're talking.
They say your business?
We're talking. All right, okay. Listen, ma'am.
Right, there was not there somebody called you. Right? It's my little yeah, it's going to 80. Right? And yeah, it's back to you.
Nobody has said nothing about that, you know. No, now I tell you, all you feel that officer joke ridiculous. Now here what happening. First off, Junior Sammy cannot get permission to move that material because that is government mill material. Junior Sammy does not own that material. You understand? Oh, so that is what you're saying in front of the people now. Thank you very much. Thank you. No. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, officer. Thank you very much. I'm glad to see the direction that this is going with the civilian. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Bossman, that is government material. Junior Sammy does not have permission to move that. Anyway, can I get your full name, please? No, can I get your full name, please? I come into the station. Now, all you see what we have to deal with. And this is why the commissioner, right? Good. And we spoke to Junior Sammy representatives and they said nobody's supposed to touch any material here. I will give it. You want Junior Sammy home number?
Yes, we will get all that
No, no.
information.
If you want it, I can give it to you now.
I will give us the information, we go to find out something.
Viewers and subscribers, that man determined though, you know? Yeah, man, he determined. Still. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I really know, if someone realizes someone a thief of government material, and if the person call the police to let them know about the situation, by law, he's right, you know. By law. See? However, if the situation is to be publicly debated, you have some people who are going to say that man should not have called the police, and you have some people who are going to say the man did the right thing by calling the police. You see it? And in my point of view, you know, one of the police officers don't seems as if him to agree with the man. You know what I mean? It's like the man talk to the man certain way. You know, the police respond to the man a certain way. So I say, I think about that part there. You see it? But anyways, you know, the whole situation kind of turned a way where it was somewhat unexpected to me. See? So therefore, I'm wondering if those persons really and truly was stealing government material. It made me wonder that. See me I say, And I really would like to see the follow-up to this whole incident. I like to see what really come out, the outcome of it. But that's all me get. You know, some of us are making know what I want, viewers and subscribers. You see me? But you can't tell me what you think about that whole situation though. You see it? You see it? Anyways, I guess I'm gonna left it. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.